Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve keyboard on Roblox app, you should just go to settings, as you see, and you can click. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list of apps you will search about Roblox, and you can click here in this window. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone, and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.